Making avocado juice is a simple and delicious process. Here's a basic recipe for you. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 2 cups cold milk, dairy or plant-based, 2 to 3 tablespoons honey or sweetener of choice. Adjust to taste. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: prepare the avocados. Cut the avocados in half and remove the seeds. Scoop out the avocado flesh into a blender. Add milk. Pour the cold milk into the blender with the avocado. Sweeten to taste. Add honey or your preferred sweetener to the blender. Start with a couple of tablespoons and adjust according to your sweetness preference. Blend until smooth. Blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. You can add more milk if the consistency is too thick. Strain, optional. If you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain the mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any fibers. Serve. Pour the avocado juice into glasses. Add ice cubes if you want a colder beverage. Optional additions: you can enhance the flavor by adding a splash of vanilla extract or a pinch of salt. Some people like to add a squeeze of lime or lemon juice for a citrusy kick. Garnish, optional. Garnish with a slice of avocado on the rim of the glass or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Enjoy. Stir the juice before drinking and enjoy your refreshing and creamy avocado juice. Experiment with the proportions and additional ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Avocado juice is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients, making it a healthy addition to your beverage choices.